Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will see how to change the projection of a raster using ArcGIS. Add a raster file. For this tutorial, I have downloaded a DEM as my raster. Right click and go to properties. Check the coordinate reference system from the source option. In the spatial reference, you can see here that it is GCS WGS 1984, which is geographical coordinate system is WGS 1984. Now we need to project it. For that, select Arc toolbox. And data management tools. In that projections and transformation and then raster, click on the project raster. We can see here a dialog box named project raster is visible. Select the raster in the input raster. And in output coordinate system, go to projected coordinate system, UTM, and then WGS 1984 Northern Hemisphere. Here my DEM image is from Chennai, so I am choosing this 44 North Zone. If it is in any other part of the country or any other part of the world, you can choose the zone accordingly. Yes, now the raster is projected. We can see here a new layer named as project raster is formed. Go to properties and check the source. In the reference system, I can see here that this raster is a projected one, WGS 1984 UTM zone 44 north. You can also change the colors and then modify the properties of this layer. Click OK and get rid of the old raster file, and thus we have successfully projected the given raster.